That storm's a big one. It's been around for a while, and it's accumulating a lot of cyclone energy. For more on that, ACE, here's meteorologist Zack Webster.
Normally we take a look at the number of named storms, hurricanes, and major hurricanes when we take a look at how active an individual hurricane season is, but there is another thing that we can use that's a little bit more detailed than that. That's called the Accumulated Cyclone Energy, or ACE index. And again, this is just a more detailed way of gauging how active a hurricane season is. Instead of just looking at the individual number of storms in each hurricane season, it also takes into account how many days a specific storm spent at whatever strength it may be, whether it be a tropical storm, a hurricane, or a major hurricane. And basically, all those get combined together to get your accumulated cyclone energy. In general, an ACE greater than 103 is considered an above normal season in the Atlantic Basin, while ACE less than 66 is considered a below normal season. Here's a few examples, and we'll start you out with the two most active hurricane seasons that we've had fairly recently. And a lot of these numbers are fairly similar. 2020 has a couple more named storms. 2005 had one more hurricane. However, a pretty big difference in the ACE there. 2005, an ACE of 245.3, 2020, an ACE of 179.8. The reason why the ACEs are much different compared to some fairly similar numbers is 2020 had a lot fewer days where we had storms at hurricane or major hurricane strength compared to 2005. Then on the quieter ends of things, 2013 we saw 14 named storms. However, only 2 of them became hurricanes, and neither of those hurricanes became major hurricanes. That gave us a much lower ACE of 36.1.
Yeah, 2005. I mean, Katrina, Rita, Wilma back then. A lot of ACE earlier from Aaron when it was a Cat 5, but now down to a Cat 2. But it's going to be around for a long time. Still a few more days before that moves out to sea.